In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete items from your Bitwarden vault. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and a few best practices to keep everything tidy and secure. First, open your browser and head to the Bitwarden web vault. Make sure you're signed in so you can see your stored logins, cards, identities, and secure notes. If you use multiple devices, the web vault is a great place to make changes because they'll sync everywhere. Once you're in, look for the vault section. This is where your items are listed and where you can manage them. If you have a lot of entries, use the search bar or filters to narrow things down by type. That makes it much easier to find the exact item you want to remove. Next, choose the specific item you want to delete. Take a moment here to confirm you've selected the right one. If it's a login, verify the website name. If it's a secure note or identity, skim the title and any key details. It's a good habit to double check so you don't remove something you still need. If there's any information you might want later, consider copying it to a safe place before you proceed. With the item highlighted, look for the three dots, often called the More Options menu. You'll typically see this on the item row or inside the item view. Clicking those three dots will open a small menu with actions you can take on that entry. From that menu, select Delete. Bitwarden prompts you for confirmation to prevent accidental removals. This safeguard is especially helpful if you're cleaning up a large vault and moving quickly. When the confirmation appears, click Yes to confirm the deletion. At this point, the item is removed from your active vault view. In most cases, deleted items go to the trash, where they can be restored until you permanently purge them. That safety net is useful if you realize you removed the wrong entry. Just remember that once items are purged, they're gone for good. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you don't immediately see the change, give your vault a moment to sync, especially if you have it open on another device. If an item is part of a shared collection in an organization, be mindful that deleting it may affect other members' access. And as you clean up, consider reviewing duplicated or outdated logins to keep your vault lean and easier to navigate. That's it. You've successfully deleted an item from your Bitwarden vault safely and confidently.